Okay, let's take a look at another system of equations that we're going to solve by substitution. This is probably maybe a little bit more challenging than the others. We have two equations, negative 9y minus 2 equals x, and 4x minus 3y equals 31. You'll notice in this equation, even though it doesn't say x equals on this left side, but you see that the negative 9y minus 2 equals x. That means we can take this and replace it here where we see x, because this says 4 times the x value, which means 4 times negative 9y minus 2 minus 3y would have to equal 31. So let's go ahead and work that out where we plug that in here for x. All right, so this equation is 4 times the x value minus 3y equals 31. Well, I'm going to replace the x with this expression, negative 9y minus 2, because this says it equals x, this first equation. Tells us that. So let's go ahead and put that in, negative 9y minus 2. Then the rest of the equation, minus 3y equals 31. Let's go ahead and write that out and then work it out. Minus 3y equals 31, okay? So here we have to use the distributive property. We have to multiply 4 times both of these terms inside the parentheses. When we do that, 4 times negative 9y, that's negative 36y. And then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So I'll put minus 8 and then bring down the rest. Minus 3y equals 31. Okay, the first thing we want to consider is our like terms. And we have a negative 36y and a minus 3y. All right, when we put those terms together, we get negative 39y. Then we have minus 8 equals 31. All right, well, we have our y's together. Now we just want to isolate it. So we're going to remove this minus 8 by using the inverse, which is to add 8 to both sides. And the equation says negative 39y equals 39. All right, well now, if the y is being multiplied times negative 39, we're going to do the inverse, which is to divide by negative 39. And a positive 39 divided by a negative 39 equals negative 1. So we now know that the y value is negative 1. So we can return to this expression and we can replace the y value with negative 1. And when we multiply negative 9 times negative 1 and then subtract 2, that all equals x. All right, so let's go ahead and work that. I'm going to bring that over here. That says negative 9 times the y value minus 2 equals the x value. And now we're going to replace that y with what we got, our answer over here, which is negative 1. All right, and then we're going to subtract 2, and that equals x. So negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. And then 9 minus 2 equals x, so x equals 7. So in our answer over here, we have x is 7 and y is negative 1.